Hello and welcome to this video where what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to get a free Aweber trial so you can actually test them out and see how much you like them. Then of course you can decide if they're going to be perfect for you. So if you click the link in the description down below, you'll get taken to a page that probably looks very similar to this. Could be slightly different, but it's still Aweber. They always change around their pages. So aside from that, if you scroll down a little, you can look through some of the benefits, the pricing, the features, as it says, start your free trial. Now, I imagine a lot of people come here and they say, well, isn't it a free trial? It is. Like you showed you right here, it says start your free trial. But a lot of things they see like the monthly prices and they're like, I thought it was free. It still is. So let me show you an example. So if you click on any one of these, it'll have the information where you can start your free trial. And as it says right here, this is where your first month is going to be free. Okay, so if you want to actually do like a prepay, you could actually save that way. Obviously, it's not going to be if you want to save money, but that would be a nice little discount. As you can see, 14% or 14.9%. Got it. Okay, so anyway, that's how you would actually go through and get your free trial. It's as simple as that. So don't be confused that it says like sign up and it has the pricings. This is just to show you what it would be if you wanted to start right away and actually, put some money down so you can get a nice little discount. Either way, that's that video. I wanted to make it as quick as possible. I hope that helped you out. Be sure to click the link down below, and I hope you enjoy Aweber.